Let's make a classic Eggs Benedict. Ingredients. For the Eggs Benedict: 4 large eggs, 2 English muffins, split and toasted, 4 slices of Canadian bacon or ham, salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. For the hollandaise sauce: 3 large egg yolks, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, pinch of cayenne pepper, salt, to taste. Instructions. 1. Prepare the hollandaise sauce. Fill a saucepan with a few inches of water and bring it to a simmer. Place a heatproof bowl over the simmering water to create a double boiler. In the heatproof bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and lemon juice. Whisk continuously until the mixture thickens, which should take about 2-3 minutes. Slowly drizzle in the melted butter while continuing to whisk, ensuring the sauce is smooth and well combined. Season the hollandaise sauce with a pinch of cayenne pepper and salt to taste. Remove it from the heat but keep it warm by covering the bowl. 2. Poach the eggs. In a large skillet or saucepan, fill it with water about 3 inches deep and bring the water to a gentle simmer. Add a little vinegar to the simmering water. This helps the egg whites coagulate faster. Carefully crack 1 egg into a small cup or ramekin. Create a gentle whirlpool in the simmering water by stirring it with a spoon. Gently slide the egg into the center of the whirlpool. Poach the egg for about 3-4 minutes for a runny yolk, or longer if you prefer it more cooked. Repeat the process for the other eggs. Use a slotted spoon to remove the poached eggs and place them on paper towels to drain any excess water. 3. Assemble the Eggs Benedict. Place the toasted English muffin halves on a plate or serving platter. Top each muffin half with a slice of Canadian bacon or ham. Carefully place a poached egg on top of each bacon-covered muffin half. 4. Drizzle with hollandaise sauce. Spoon a generous amount of the prepared hollandaise sauce over each poached egg. 5. Season and serve. Season the Eggs Benedict with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. 6. Garnish and enjoy. Optionally, garnish with a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs like chives or parsley. Serve your delicious Eggs Benedict immediately and enjoy your classic breakfast. Eggs Benedict is a delightful breakfast choice with a combination of creamy, buttery hollandaise sauce, perfectly poached eggs, and the savory base of English muffins and Canadian bacon or ham. It's a beloved breakfast classic that many people relish.